Guys, tonight I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to microwave offer and white rice. So the rice is there. So I'm microwaving the white rice. Offer.
Then switch it up and treat me right.
That is what I'm going to eat tonight. No cooking today, guys.
But you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme.
So manage my dance like that. Okay?
Can't get enough. Please let me be. But I love what you do to me.
Guys, so our rice is ready. It's fully microwaved. So this is our offer cook. Come on, this with you guys. This is our rice. This is our offer cook. Well done, guys.
The misery, the ecstasy, the finer things you keep from me. And then you touch, I feel so much. I just love what you do to me.
It's so delicious.
The misery, the ecstasy, the finer things you keep from me. And then you touch, I feel so much. I just love what you do to me. Oh, I love what you do to me. You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promised, son,